morning viewers, welcome to Patenga FootWear1 Pvt, which is the most potential and leading manufacturer company of recent era. It was founded in 2003 at Chittagong Export Processing Zone, Sector 6/A, plot number 7 and 8. Basically, it's a joint venture company of Taiwan and Japan. Today, we are going to introduce with the total operational process of Patenga FootWear1 Pvt. Almost 800 workers are involved with this working process. Basically, the ladies' footwear are exported in Japan market. But in the meanwhile, this company going to involve with the gents show also. So please let's have a look to the corporate office of this company. This corporate office basically divided into 5 departments: HRD department, planning and marketing department, commercial department, accounts and research and development department. Viewers, you can see the cabin of our honorable general manager Mr. Zakir Hussain. After that, chamber of our honorable chairman Mr. Ito Joy, and last but not the least, chamber of managing director of our company Mr. Chen Xiao Tiseng. So, viewers, you can see the overall view of our factory at a glance from upper stair, which is really impressive. Viewers, now we are climbing down towards the production floor. In entry level, some pictures are attached of different occasions which are celebrated at Patenga FootWear1 Pvt. Now we are going to introduce with the whole sections of this factory one by one. Viewers, this is the warehouse office from where every materials are supplied to the different sections. This is the leather inspection table. Basically, our company sources the 90% leather from local market and other 10% from Thailand and India. Other related materials are sourced from Taiwan, China, India, Thailand and Bangladesh. This is the cutting section, which is divided into 2 rows. In cutting section, all components are cut down, such as leather, lining, foam, outsole, etc. Viewers, you can see the leather are being cut by the hydraulic leather cutting machine. All the components are cut down by the help of knives, which is made by the research and development department. After checking the quality and attaching the pair sticker, the leathers are passed to the sewing section. Viewers, you can also see the skiving machine, which is also included to the cutting section. By the help of skiving machine, the edge line of different materials such as leather, toe puff, foam, lining, etc. are become thinner. Viewers, here the printing press machine, which is also included to the cutting section. By the help of printing press machine, all kinds of socks, styles, size, names are printed here. Viewers, some materials are required layer. for the convenience of cutting. So you can see the operator are layering the materials. Now viewers, we will go towards the outsole buffing section, which is related to the preparation section. Now we can see the EVA cutting machine by which the EVA outsole are cut down according to the last. Viewers, you can also see the insole trimming machine by which the insoles are shaped according to the last. Here, outsoles are also buffed to make smooth the outsole part. You can see the operators are operating all of the machines related to the outsole buffing. Now we are going towards the preparation section. Basically, in this section, insole, outsole, heel, top lift are being processed. The insoles are processing by the roller machine and adhesive is attaching with the foam. All the board and insole are going through the net conveyor. Viewers, you can see the plain hydraulic machine by which the outsole and insole board and foam lining are cut. This is the shank adjusting machine, and you can see the grip cutter by which the grips are cut down to adjust the shank. Viewers, you can also see the rivet attached machines by which rivets are attached with the shank to make the shank, board and shank attaching stronger. Now we will go towards the injection molding section, which is separate from our factory, but in this section we prepare the heel, top lift, outsole sheet for the shoes. Here the ABS compound are recycled for making the heel and PU compounds are recycled for making the lift. The TPR outsole are made by the TPR resin. Viewers, you can see there are two injection molding machines which we have imported from Taiwan. One injection molding machine is used to make the TPR outsole and another is used to make the heel and lift. Now we are in socks making section. All the shoes socks are prepared here. Socks are sewed by the machine. Different types of tape are attached behind the socks. They can be 5 mm tape or 10 mm tape. This is the clipping machine by which wampert is shaped. This is the punching machine by which upper designs are made. Viewers, now we are in sample section. which is really important and directly included to our research and development department. We can say that research and development department is the heart of all the factories because all the patterns, designs and samples are developed in this section. So we can see the R&D table is middle of the factory so that any kinds of problem can be solved with the help of this department. Viewers, now we are in the chamber of our production manager. You can see that all of our samples are displayed in the racks and the trial meeting of the shows are also being held in this room. Now we will introduce to the sewing section with you. Sewing section is divided into 8 lines. Total uppers are sewed in this section. You can see the mesh weaving section where the mesh are weaved by hands to make the upper. You can also see the decoration flowers are prepared here by the hands. Now we will show you the steps of sewing section which is done one by one. First, the operators are attaching the backing cloth with the leather upper. Then they are preparing the stoppers, they are preparing the hot melt, they are preparing the lining, they are attaching the zipper, they are attaching the tapes with the upper, they are sewing the uppers. They are doing all kinds of process which are related to make the upper complete. Actually, we can say the sewing section is a vast area because in this section all the process related to the upper is being done. This is the upper inspection table of sewing line. The QC department check the all uppers in this table to ensure the quality of the show's upper. Viewers, you can see all the uppers are kept in a basket which are ready to be passed to the lasting section. Now we will introduce to you with the lasting section of this factory. Basically, all of the lasts are kept in this section. Viewers, now you can see the backpart molding machine by which the backpart of the show is shaped. Beside this, you can see the top-off press machine by which top-off is attached on toe part. Now, you will see the toe lasting machine by which the front part is shaped according to the last. Viewers, you can see the side lasting is done by the operator very efficiently and sincerely. They are continuously lasting the shows by the hammer. Now, you will see the heel lasting machine by which heel is shaped. Beside that, heel beating machine is also here to beat the heel. After that, toe buffing machine is here. Then the iron machine is here to reduce the wrinkles on upper. At last, after the whole lasting process, the lasted shoes are inspected by the quality department to ensure the proper lasting quality of shoes. You can see they are reducing or cleaning the marking part of shoes by cream. Now we will show you the gluing section. At first, the outside part of shoes are buffing here to making the attachment of outsole very stronger. Now we will show you the first gluing where glue is attaching with the outside part of shoes. Then the shoes will go through to the oven and the second gluing section will start where again the glues will be attached with the outsole side of shoes, and then the shoes will be go through to the second oven. Now the operator will attach the glues with the outside part finally to attach the outsole with the shoes. Viewers, you can see they're attaching the outsole with the shoes by hand very strongly. Then the whole shoes will be pressed down by the press machine. Now the whole complete shoes will be go through a cooler. Then the shoes will be unlasted. Viewers, you can see the shoes are almost complete in this section. After the whole process, the shoes will be checked by the QC department again in this inspection table. They check the lasting process, the pairs, the outsole quality, everything in this inspection table. Now we will go towards the nailing section. Basically, heel type shoes require nailing system. Here the nails and screws are attached with the machine to the heel. Nails are strongly attached by the machine so that the heels cannot be broken. Viewers, you can also see the long boot ironing machine by which long boots are being ironed. Beside this, you can see the spray machine by which the upper of the shoes are sprayed in that area where some defect is arised. Basically, our finishing section is divided into 4 conveyors. Actually, finishing section is like a parlor where the shoes are being made lucrative to the human eyes. In this section, all kinds of polish, ornaments, ink, lace, socks are attached to make the shoe complete. Viewers, you can see the operators are ironing the upper to reduce the wrinkles of upper, and they are also polishing the shoes by hand, or beside they are also polishing the shoes by machine. Now you can see the shoes are going through the rubber conveyor. The operators are putting the show sticks inside the shows to keep straight the show. They are also putting the stuffing paper. All kinds of wrapping are being done here. They also attach sketch sticker, name sticker, size sticker on inner box in finishing section. Then in final inspection table of finishing section, the all shows are being checked by the quality department section. They finalize the shows being completed. Now we will go towards the final inspection table before the X-ray passed. In this table, the quality department sincerely check the shows one by one, and they also attach the barcode tags in this section. After that, we will show you the X-ray machine. The inner box of shows passing through the X-ray machine. Basically, X-ray machine is used to ensure that no metallic parts are hidden inside of the shows. Once the X-ray is done, the R-passed sticker is attached at the inner box of shows. Then the whole inner box of shows will go through the antifungus oven, by which the antifungus ray is given so that the shows can be protected from the fungus which is harmful for the shows. Finally, the shows are packed here in master cartoon and they become finished goods and they are ready to be shipped out. Viewers, although the show making process is like a sea, yet we have tried our level best to introduce to all of the process in brief. Actually, we are really very optimistic to satisfy our customers by our efficiency and the best service we have, because we believe the customer satisfaction will bring the prosperity of this company. Thank you so much for being with us.